My name is Eusebio Sanchez. Hello, Bill Murray. Your comment on the question, do you believe we compare ourselves to others on social media? Excellent, excellent Murray. I also say regarding the question that I answered it in the forum with the companions that I will say yes. I will say yes. Because throughout social network we share the thoughts of our personal and professional life. Uh, for example, we can see that our friend does from that point of life we value ourselves. And in the other the question that also it produces a greater capacity for percentual learning and halo on to face several stimuli, excuse me, uh, simultaneously, yes or no, give reason to support your opinion. And finally, yes, of course, it does affect our mental health. Too many publications are now to reinforce narcissism standard of living. Uh, Consumption and statute thus contributing to higher prevalence of various uh, psychiatric uh, disorders, including depressive symptoms, uh, anxiety, and loved self. Thank you very much. Uh, 10 Murray, 10 tutor, 10 companion.